India's growth is powered by skill in manufacturing, services, and agriculture. Under the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, the Directorate General of Training, DGT, offers industry-focused vocational training through the Craftsmen Training Scheme delivered through ITI across India. CTS offers training in more than 169 trades designed to prepare students for practical careers and real-world opportunities. After completing 10th standard, students aspiring to become skilled technicians can choose a trade aligned with their interests and career goals. For students looking to build a career in the electrical and power sector, CTS offers the trade of electrician. From homes and commercial buildings to industries, power plants, and smart infrastructure projects, skilled electricians play a vital role in ensuring safe and efficient electrical systems every day. In this 2-year CTS program, from day one, students receive hands-on practical training using industry-relevant tools, electrical equipment, and real workshop environments. Students learn electrical wiring, installation, and maintenance of electrical systems, motor winding, circuit testing, fault detection, safety procedures, and practical troubleshooting through industry-relevant tools and workshop-based training. After successfully completing training and assessment under CTS, trainees receive the National Trade Certificate, NTC, awarded under NCVET, recognized across industries in India and abroad. Career opportunities are available across construction companies, hotels, smart city projects, industrial facilities, start businesses, become entrepreneurs, and maintenance services. ITI trainees who passed out can continue their professional journey through the Craft Instructor Training Scheme, CITS, and become instructors for the next generation of skilled professionals. Your future can begin with a skill. After completing his graduation, Preetpal Singh joined ITI in the Electrician Trade. ITI changed everything. During his training, he gained practical knowledge about electricity. Today, Preetpal Singh is proudly working as a workshop attendant in the electric section at NSU, Ludhiana. Learn today, lead tomorrow.